Outside of Q4, summer is one of the best times to start a dropshipping store and scale it really quickly because we can tap into some natural mass desires that tends to happen around the summertime. Like I want a leaner body, I want clear skin, I want wider teeth, I want healthier looking hair, I want to feel less bloated. May and August is great because people receive their tax refunds and go straight into vacation mode. They're traveling outside more. They want to look and feel the best around others. So we want to take advantage of that and find some great products that aren't just seasonal and gimmicky, but can actually bring us from summer right into Q4 so we can make as much money as possible. The first step in doing this is signing up for Trend Track. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get 20% off for the first 3 months. This is going to be your all-in-one product research tool to scrape and find the best scaling ads and stores right now. So we're going to go straight onto the ads section here on the left-hand side. We're going to adjust a couple of the filters here. We only want to see active ads. We're going to change the call to action to shop now, learn more, buy more, and even throw in order now so we can see as many stores trying to direct someone to a product page. The country we don't have to really adjust right now. Language, I'm going to make sure that's English. For technology, we're going to do Shopify. And then for everything else under the ad section, we can always mess around with this if we want to. For example, we can do a minimum of 10 days running so we can see proven ads that are doing well. The goal here is to find a dropshipper also scaling in real time and catching the wave before they scale too hard. So next up, we're going to go to the page tab here. This is my favorite feature right now in Trend Track, is seeing Facebook pages created in the last 3 months. That's going to be a good indicating sign that this person recently launched and are seeing some success if their ads are still live. Speaking of which, we're going to change the live ads to a minimum of 30 ads. We want to make sure that the person is actually launching ads and making money. So naturally speaking, someone with a minimum of 30 ads is doing well for themselves. And then from there, we can go to the shop section and you can decide which main visiting country is the person running their ads to. A lot of times I want to see someone scaling in the US. And then I also might throw in among the UK and Australia as well, just to keep my search as broad as possible. What's optional and totally up to you if you want to do this is you can, of course, also change the theme. One thing we know about a lot of dropshippers is that they like to use Shrine Pro or Elixir theme and the occasional Dawn theme. But for now, I'm just going to keep the search broad. So now as I'm scrolling, all I'm looking for are those mass desires, right? I want to look smart. I want to look leaner. I want to have a better smile. I want healthier looking hair. I want to get rid of bloating. And as I scroll here, right, I'm not too far from the top of the page here. I came across this product here that is an interesting product, Soothe Silk. So what I'll do is I'll open up the page card here and I'll go to their ad library here. And because we know that this page was recently created, we know that this person recently launched. So we just got to vet them out and see what they're selling. So they have 48 ads that are active. And if we remove the active filter option here, we can see that they actually have no ads turned off. That's one of my first indicating signs that this person's probably doing well, because if they launch ads on day one and now they're a few days or a few weeks removed and they haven't turned any off, that means they're trending in the right direction. The next thing I'm going to do is hit this sort by. And I'm going to see the most recent ads, and then I'm going to see when they first launched. So right now they've launched ads as of recent of March 6th. So it's been a while since they actually launched ads, which is something we always want to be mindful of. So they did launch around the 29th, right? So around about 2 going on 3 months now. And they've been loading up some ads every now and again, but they haven't recently launched. So unfortunately, this is something that we got to be mindful of. They haven't launched recently, but one thing that we can look into is Google Trends. And we can see here that the product that they're selling is supposed to help with bloating and lymphatic drainage. We actually go here, we can see that they're testing a couple different avatorials. Actually, I think if we go to their highest impression one here, they have some video ads. We hit shop now. 5 reasons mature women are finally finding bloating relief. So it seems like one of their highest impression ads is going straight to an avatorial, and it's selling the idea of bloating relief. And we can look at Google Trend charts and see over the last 5 years, bloating has been a skyrocketing term, and it's been steady and consistent with the little dips here and there. And then as you can see here, it picks up around the summer months. So the only thing to make note of is that this person hasn't launched recently, but outside of that, they seem like the ads are active and it is in a growing trend. So this is going to be something I take a look at and potentially consider launching because it fits that summer blend here. And you can see it's going to keep climbing here. It naturally climbs as we get into the summer months, which makes sense. Another thing I occasionally like to do is just go out to the top here in Trend Track, go to recent winners. If you scroll a little bit here, you'll be finding products that recently started to take off, and these ads got a lot of impression and traction. That's how they categorize this as a recent winner. So I'll scroll here for a little bit, and as I scroll, I'll come across some stuff. And I'm specifically looking for things that would, again, be things that people want to improve on around the summertime. Like, I want nicer hair, for example. So we'll come across something like this here, open it up in ad library. And again, we're just going to quickly look at the ad library. That's the number one way to validate a store and show that there's potential there, is just by seeing, when did this person launch? Do they have a ton of ads that they're adding consistently? Do they not have a ton of them turned off? And is it a product that solves a big enough problem, especially going to the summertime? So they have 79 ads turned on that are active, and they have 79. So there's 79 out of 79, no ads turned off. If we go to most recent here and we scroll down a little bit, we just want to get a gauge of when they recently launched. So they launched this year on this ad account, at least on this Facebook page, at least. So they launched on the 7th, and they've been adding ads consistently since. So that's a good sign. We go to their page here. It is a hair, I guess specifically for women with short hair. So they're going after a specific customer avatar. So that's good here. And this page looks really good. Nice UGC content. Solves a nice problem, right? We know going into the summertime, women like to dress up, look nice. They like to do that all the time, but definitely summertime when they're traveling. It seems portable and travel friendly as well. So that's going to be a nice little element there. Comes in a nice case. So yeah, I'd source this product. This would be another product that I'd put on my list of products to potentially sell. It seems like it has come with a couple different heads here, which is really cool. So boom, another product just like that. Another thing you could do as well is just go to the shops tab again on the left-hand side. You could go under weekly gems and then just make this one adjustment here where the main visitor country could be United States, Canada, Australia, UK, whatever you pick. For this example, I'm just going to pick the United States. There's some other filters that I can adjust as well, but these are just going to be the stores and the sellers that have just recently been doing well, kind of similar to recent winners, but these are going to be more under scale and a little bit harder to find. So you could just scroll here, and again, you might come across a couple interesting products. And the goal here is just looking for something that is picking up steam and momentum, and also is something that we know that we can sell and serve a mass desire to. So just quickly looking into this one. This one here is trending really well. A lot of website visitors. I don't lean too much on website visitor traffic because it's not really accurate. There's like almost no tool that can accurately get it. But this is always a good indication. So we do see that there is more increase in traffic. This exact number is give or take, but let's just see what this is. So one thing we could always do is right click when we're in the Shops tab and open in a new tab. And this will bring us into Brand Tracker. So Brand Tracker allows us to look a little closer to each store and advertiser and look and learn a little bit more about them, see their best sellers, see their best ads here. So we can actually pull this up here and then just go quickly into ad library just to double validate this. So we'll see here, they have 72 ads. We remove the filter here. No ads turned off. If we hit sort by most recent, and then we just scroll here, give this a second. It's always good to see what product you're selling to validate that, but I always like to just quickly validate it first before I even analyze the product. So they have they launched March 13th, so last month, and they've been adding ads consistently. So this is a good indication that we're catching the wave and the trend on a product that's building momentum. Now we take a look at this product. I kind of can guess and see what it is. Let's go to let's find their product page here. Are these all going to landers? I think all these are going to landers. Okay, so they're doing a bunch of landers, which makes sense. So this product here is an intimacy wand. Interesting, for women. It comes with a cream as well. So I guess this could be something that does really well. Now, if you notice, I'm trying to avoid the gimmicky products that are going to be lights and LED lights and these like trendy products that a lot of people, beginner dropshippers, tend to go after. We want evergreen products, right? Products that do really well and peak, and get a lot of momentum into the summertime, but also could carry us out throughout Q4, right? This could be a product that you keep running. We don't want to do the seasonal stuff like pool, like swimming goggles, for example, or poolside chairs or whatnot. We want things that solve a big problem that are outside of the gimmicky things that still align with what people are going to see during the summertime. You can also get the Trend Track free extension tool here, and you can get some quick feedback on any store. The extension tool is actually free, so even if you don't decide to sign up with Trend Track today, that's totally fine. You can still grab the extension tool, and we can see that their website visits are increasing, which is a good sign. Again, this is a rough estimate. I don't really rely on this perfectly, but is a good marker. And then a little fun fact for you, you can also see what apps this store is using, which I always like to see. This is a good indicating sign as well. They have triple whale analytics, so they're double checking their analytics there. That's a good sign that this person is doing really well. And then we can also go to this second tab here, and we can use this as a way to remove protection on people's websites. If we wanted to, scab any of their images or copy any of their text, we can actually do that with the extension tool, which is cool. So this would be yet again another validated product that you can, get a good quote for and ride the wave into the summertime and even well into Q4 as well. Alrighty, so a little fun fact for you, by the way, guys. If at any point you're coming across an ad or a adder or advertiser rather, and you don't want to keep seeing their same ads, you can just hit their name here and hit hide this page, and that will move it. But came across this product here, Korean Beauty Tips. Open up their ad library here. They have 59 ads out of 59, which is good. They have none turned off. We sort by most recent. We can see that they recently add ads just as recent as a couple days ago, and they launched over 2 weeks ago. So that's a good sign. So they recently launched and they're adding a ton of new ads in their ad library, and they're selling this hair growth serum. If you go into Google Trends here, you can see hair growth serum is skyrocketing. Absolutely skyrocketing. Last year, it skyrocketed around the summer months, and it's projected to skyrocket again as we get into those same summer months. If we go into the United States specifically, let's give this a look here. Boom. The trajectory on this is nice, right? You can see here last year it skyrocketed in July. It looks like it's going to do that again. So again, product that you can ride the wave into the summertime and then still be able to sell this into Q4 as well is they'll go, right? To be able to have a long-term sustainable brand. So they're definitely using the Elixir theme here. And yeah, this looks really solid. Website traffic is dipping a little bit, but again, those are projections. We're not sure exactly what that means for them. But really easy product to find a ton of different avatars and desires to sell to. And that's looking really good. I also just was quickly looking. I didn't vet this other brand out. This dental one here, Dental Truth. I didn't look too deep into their stuff, but let's see. The 39 ads out of 39. No ads turned off. Let's see. Did they launch recently and are they still adding new ads? So they're adding new ads as of recent. And they also launched recently, just a couple months ago. So another banger for you here, 2-for-1 special. So they're selling tooth repair. It's a tooth repairing powder, which is solid. And that's definitely one of those insecurities that people are going to want to fine tune. And as we can see here, this is trending in the right direction here. This is the worldwide search. If I type in the United States, let's see how it's doing in the United States. Doing pretty consistent. So it fluctuates ups and downs, but overall, it is one of those things that looks really solid. Let's see. Hydroxy Appetite toothpaste. That's really trending upwards in the US specifically. And again, one of those things that starts to pick up around the spring into summer months there, and then really starts to the trajectory on that seems to really be increasing there. So that's really dope. As always, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I have some amazing videos coming out next couple of weeks teaching you guys how to launch some really cool ads, some native image story ads that have been doing really well for me. So if you want more assistance with that and you want to learn more about how to create good ads, make sure you like and subscribe on this channel. And if you want some more hand-holding, you want me to help you pick and validate a product, you want me to help review and look at your ad campaign so you can scale to 1K a day, 10K a day and beyond, definitely hop inside a Social Brands Club. I'll leave a link in the description as well. My online community is filled with a ton of amazing e-com scalers and killers that are doing amazing numbers, including a couple of members here that have reached the 1 million mark, right? 1 million in 40 days, a meal, and so many other great wins. Mark just reached 16K a day, 87K a week, and so many others. Just doing amazing, great things on their dropshipping store. So if you want some help with your dropshipping journey, definitely go ahead in the description, sign up, and I'll see you guys inside. See you all in the next one. Take care.